Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this modern house design. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the kitchen, the dining, the living room area. We also have finished the first and second bedroom and then the receiving. We added the washroom, and now we're gonna concentrate on getting the stairs complete. So let's begin by going to architecture and then stairs. So once you click the stairs, you'll be able to add in, so base level will be level 1 all the way to level 2. So let's add in the run. So we're gonna add the run right here. So maybe actually I just press escape, and then let's add in the run right here. So we could see that we have 18, so 9 riser created. After that, move it on the other side, and then let's finish up with the rest. So now what we have to do is we need to move this one inside of this. So we're gonna make it smaller, like so. So we're just gonna make it even. You just need to be patient. And then how about the landing? Like that. So now what we could do is click finish for now, and then we could move this one backwards like that. We're gonna change this location, so somewhere here, and then the whole stairs, we're gonna nudge it inside like so. Okay, and then after that, let's edit the stairs, and then let's edit the landing like that. There's some room here, so we could put it in room here. So good enough. We could click finish, and then of course we're gonna pull this back, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in a 2-door bifold, so 2-panel bifold. So we're gonna add a closet here that will be below the stairs. Okay, so now we have a new dimension for this area. Let's put this one in the middle, so something like that. I would also like to add in the room tag. So let's add in the tag right here. We're also gonna add it here. And then click on room separator. So press escape and room separator. We're gonna separate this. And then we're gonna separate the stairs. So now once you do that, you'll be able to click on this one for the room, the washroom, and then the stairs. And let's change the scale. And then after that, you just need to drag it a little bit so that it's readable. So this will be bedroom 1. This will be receiving. As for my friend, this will be bedroom 2. Let's move it a little bit on the side. Washroom. This will be kitchen, dining, living, kitchen. And then the stairs. So where we're able to add in everything, we can move it on this side as well. So the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the floor. So click on floor and then edit type. Let's duplicate this. This will be floor number 1. Press OK. Edit. Change the thickness to 200 and then change the material. So let's use concrete and then OK. So let's do this. So from the corner up to here. And then we could add in this. Let's use TR or trim and extend. And then trim and extend on this part as well. After that, we will need to create this one because washroom usually has tiles. So we could just change it afterwards. So click finish. So we have this. So better yet, let's change this to this instead. After this, let's add in the another floor. So click floor 1, edit type, duplicate. This will be floor number 2, and then let's change the material. Let's use this one. And do it like this. Click finish, and we have that area different. And then click on floor again, edit type, duplicate. This will be floor number 3. And then after that, let's change this one to concrete lightweight. Press OK. And then this will be for the carport. click finish, and there we go. Also, let's add in some wall here. So I'm gonna use exterior wall and then CS, and then I'm just gonna create around 400 or 500, and then in this one as well 500 is good. And then after that, go to wall and then click on this, drop down, and then scroll down and click on curtain wall. So once we create a curtain wall, let's add in a curtain wall on this spot. Also in this area. So click on wall again. And then another curtain wall on this. Let's add it here as well, and here. So after that, we need to cut geometry. So if we look at it at 3D, the curtain wall is not visible, but you know it's there. So what you have to do is go to modify, cut geometry, and then choose the wall first, and then the curtain wall. Wall, curtain wall, wall, curtain wall, wall, curtain wall, and lastly wall, curtain wall. And we're gonna leave it for now like that. I'm gonna look at the elevation that he created, and I want to see how he wants it to be made. So let's go to south elevation, and here we can actually modify the width and then the height. So let's modify it like that, and a little bit at the bottom. Okay. You can also do it at 3D. So you can actually just move it down from there. And then after that, if you want to copy the same height as this, you could go to modify or align, AL, type in AL. So we want to copy the curtain wall height like this, and then below like that. So that one's copied. For the washroom, we could just estimate it. We know that there's gonna be a toilet, so a small window is sufficient enough. Something like that. And the one for the stairs, we could same, let's align it on this one. So I'm gonna copy this one and then align it from there. This one as well, align it there. So it looks good. So let's go back to level 1 and we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.